Hello everybody, my name is Diana Nagorna, and today I present you probably the most long-awaited of all my video courses, Blue Shibori jacket. This jacket has been the most requested topic for the workshops and for my students in different countries for many years. It's an unusual garment, interesting but also warm and comfortable. In this video course you will see all the process of this jacket creation from the very beginning to the end, and you won't have any questions like how it has been made anymore. Besides, I will show you the best color combinations for this garment. All the video course consists of several thematic series where I fully describe and show all the stages of work on this jacket. Also, you will get the full set of ready molds and templates for 6 sizes. You should just print them and connect according to a scheme. I will show you a simple and universal method of an ideal linking of an armhole and a sleeve. You can adapt it for any other garment. To use this method you don't need tailor experience. I will tell and show how and why I use shibori elements in this work and explain all the nuances of these elements creation. Despite the work is rather complicated, every person who can lay the wool can do it, and I'm sure you will do it successfully.